Let's go. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is another recap with Let Cash Accumulate Over Days. This is recap coverage from the stock and crypto market. These are live ideas of thought and studies. This is not financial advice on this stream or with this company. So, that's the vibe today right now. Like, another mixed close. That's how everybody's feeling. Like, it's a shock out here right now, you guys. And you basically just need to understand that going forward. S&P 500 closes lower weight by declines in bank and retail shares. So that's where your selling came from today. And it got ugly a little bit. Got a little scary there again. The market was looking like it was like the free fall again. Where we going? Like, let's figure it out, right? Nobody likes to be played with. We all get it. It's a lot of patience coiling right now that you need to have because the market is consolidating. It is frustrating people right now. So you need to understand what's about to happen, though. The next move is, the trajectory towards, this ending the summer. So you gotta understand this direction here that's, about to take place. Market is about to fall, you guys, or about to re-rally. That's just what's going on right now. So the broad-based S&P 500 edge 0.3% lower, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite gains 0.1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lagged, falling 161 points, or 0.5%. So that's what happened today. Got a little mixed up there. Market, it was bullish this morning, though. I ain't even gonna lie, it was going up. But, resistance is a real thing. People who see profit, they're gonna take it more than likely. So it is what it is. But yeah, it was completely bullish this morning. That was the vibe for sure. Yep. But let's go ahead and just get into the data here and the charts and numbers. I ain't gonna hold y'all. We'll do this real quick. Righty here. So tomorrow, what we got? Services PMI data. We know that's key. We know that's gonna be real volatile. Be on the lookout for that. That's why the market kind of got a little stiff today. There's more data tomorrow, you guys. A lot of data tomorrow, actually. Manufacturing PMI, new home sales data, and all that's key. And then Thursday, you got more data. They're not done. Jobless claims data, you guys, as always. And then durable goods orders on Thursday. So that is another key point. That's why you're just seeing really the market just be real choppy and frustrating and consolidating because the market is, investors have made money. Believe that for sure. But at the end of the day, could be a time where, they want to just flip the direction or off the data or, they're just going to buy back. And then you're going to see the market go back up even higher. So especially tomorrow, we got all eyes on the video earnings, you guys. You're going to be hearing this you're probably already hearing this. So it's a lot going on right now. I'm telling you, with the artificial intelligence data, you're about to really see if that stuff is going to be beneficial here or it was all cap. So we're about to find out. It's really about to happen. Yes, sir. That's going to move the market tomorrow, you guys. It's expected to move at least 11%. So just understand that going further as well. Because that's going to be a lot of money in store and volatility is going to be moving fast. yeah, be very cautious with that. It is an earnings play. It can go 50-50. It can go either way, basically. That really can, and it really is. So you should really understand what's about to happen tomorrow, after tomorrow. The market is, really about to get a direction going here. And then you got Powell on Friday with the Jackson Hole event. So that's going to be all key going further, you guys. That's pretty much it, though. Earnings tomorrow, really, like I said, be on the lookout, though. Again, NVIDIA and Snowflake, and that's really going to be key. Yeah, Autodesk, and then the earnings further here. We'll talk about that on the next recap. But let's get into the charts and numbers here really quickly here. We're going to go over the SPY first. Let's take a look and see what happened. Let's see what happened. Okay. So, we got to check and see with the data. If LCAOD was a little bit accurate towards it, and, we really was. This isn't 100% accurate because you didn't get that free fall. So this would be about 30 to 50% accurate here. They just found the level of support, so nothing you can really do about it. It is going to consolidate though here. It is going to make another move, so that 30 to 50% can easily just turn to 100% correct. They will bring the market down if they need to. Or, like I said, they're going to push it back up here to these same levels. I'm going to circle it here. And I'm going to just erase the drawings, but I'm going to circle it now. But, hit the like and subscribe button. But like I said, I'm going to leave these drawings here, you guys, so you can see the ranges. And when these ranges break, then that's when the market is definitely about to shift here. So at the end of the day, just be ready for that. And just that's what's going on. Now going further here, you guys. So going into tomorrow here. I'm gonna erase the drawings. Going into tomorrow. Upside levels tomorrow, you guys. Real quickly, like 440. The SPY needs to get back here. Bulls need to get it back there. That's the level where they're going to be trying to get above resistance. Again, they might get knocked down. But that's the level. If you get above that, the next level, the target still is 443. We know that. That'll be due to good earnings with everybody. And, that's just what it's going to end up being. So remember that going further here, going into next week. Now to the downside here, because it can go either way, you guys, and it is. It's going to go either way. 438.33 doesn't hold here going into tomorrow. I'm looking for 437.58. If that doesn't hold, the next low level is a back test of 435.30. If that don't hold, then your next low is a retest at 433 here, and you may get that flush there at 432.60 here. And the Bears will just continue their momentum like they have been doing here for this past month, basically. Triple Qs. Triple Qs, you guys. Same. I'm going to circle it here. The same ranges here. This is not 100% correct. It's about 30 to 50%, but it's only like that because it's consolidating. The move can still happen. Don't get it twisted. The move is actually going to happen, so don't get it twisted for real. But at the end of the day, I'm going to circle it, though. Just know there's still the ranges. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'm going to erase the drawings. Going into tomorrow. Outside level is 365. You got to get back there. You get here, the next push is 367.50. Here. And then the target is 370 on the triple Qs. So that could be, NVIDIA earnings is just excellent. It's just about to go up crazy. The triple Qs is going to reclaim 370 with the quickness. So just know that can just happen tomorrow going into next week. Now to the downside. Yeah, 362 don't hold. The next low level is 360 here. We're gonna, Bears gonna reclaim that momentum again. And if that don't hold, the next low level is 357.20 there to the downside. And I think that'll be a little bottom there. Nvidia earnings may be awful, and then this is gonna get really ugly here. You'll see a flush to about 355 to 350 here to the downside on the triple Qs, you guys. The DIA, the Dow Jones. Come on, Wi-Fi. Don't do me like that. Okay, we working. We good. We still live. The Wi-Fi just had a little glitch. Upside levels tomorrow, you guys, on the DIA. Same thing. Hold up. Let me zoom in. Show y'all the drawings from yesterday, real quick. Same range, like pretty much. This is not 100% accurate, but this is about 30 to 50%. But this can turn into 100% by the end of the week for sure, you guys. I'm telling you, it's not done. So just be on the lookout for these levels still. I'm gonna circle it here, but we're gonna go to the levels going further here. Hit the like, subscribe button. Remove these jars. Going further here. Upside levels tomorrow. 340, 470 on the DIA, you guys. If you can get there. The next level is 347.50 there. Still the target. You're gonna see the DIA really break out. They always do there. The indice with the highest numbers. So that's where they're going. Now to the downside, because you can go either way. If this 342.20 don't hold, the next level is 340 here. To the downside on the DA, you guys, and then that don't hold, then 338 here to the downside on the DIA. IWM. The IWM, you guys. Same thing. I'm gonna zoom in, let y'all see the ranges. And then you see the ranges, like I said, it's not 100% here. You got about 30 to 50% depending on how you played it. You feel me? So at the end of the day, a win is a win. Loss is a loss. It is what it is. Draw is a draw. But yeah. So going further here, I'm gonna circle the ranges. I'm gonna remove the draw. Hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the last video, then you'll understand that. But going further here, going into tomorrow, going further. 185 on the IWM. Need to recapture. And the 185, the next level is 188 on the IWM. I think that's the target. The market ended up being very good here by the end of the week with the data and Jackson Hole event, yada yada stuff. But if not, to the downside, the IWM can easily back test here 183.30. If that don't hold, then the next low level is 182.10 to the downside. And then if that don't hold, then you'll probably get a bottom at 180.10 down there. IWM. And so going further. VIX. Volatility. My favorite thing, the speed of the market. The direction of the market is what the VIX is. And the VIX really just stayed where it was at today, right? It just consolidated in the air and put a little green wicking candle or whatever the case may be. And you know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. You feel me? So that's why you see the market really didn't do nothing in this mix, because we ain't really moved today at all. That's what I'm telling you. Like, nothing happened on the VIX as far as volatility, as far as the speed, as far as the direction. So that's why the market is still really just at a standstill here, with right in front of the Nvidia earnings, and it's just about to get really real after tomorrow for sure, though. So just know that. And the volatility, like I said, you guys, is gonna turn up. It's gonna really get fast. It's gonna get really volatile. It may or may not. It may go away, and then that'll be good for stocks. And then it may turn up, and then that's not good for stocks, as you have been seeing. So that's what's about to happen on the VIX. Keep that in mind. Going further though on the VIX, upside levels, still looking for a breakout above 19. And then I expect the market to really tank, and the video earnings will probably be horrible, and it's just the market gonna come down. It's about to go down. Now to the downside of the VIX, if it can go to about $16, then the next low level I'm looking out for is a flush at $14.63, and then the market will probably definitely re-rally and go back up to its highs that it was just at previously. So keep that in mind going further. Netflix. Oh, Netflix. We're keeping it real simple here. As you can see, the drawing is absolutely correct here. You know, congratulations, but you know, people still holding, so hang tight. It's still early in the week. You know how it get. But yeah, they really about to break out here. Or, you know, like I said, they're gonna base it off of NVIDIA's earnings, as everybody else. That's just really what's going on for real. So yeah, the upside levels tomorrow on Netflix though. Be on the lookout for 416 still. I'm gonna keep the same drawings here. And 420 is definitely the target on Netflix. So I'm gonna look out for that to the upside. To the downside, because it can go either way. And you know, like I said, this is based off NVIDIA earnings, good or bad. If it's bad for NVIDIA's earnings, you will see Netflix come back down here to about 14. And if that don't hold, the next low level is 405 here to the downside. And then, you know, if it's really ugly like that, you're really going to see Netflix come down to about 396. Meta. More AI stuff going on right here. That's all this is. Like I said, following suit with NVIDIA's earnings. And they're consolidating, but upside levels tomorrow. It's looking like 290 here. You need to get back to. And you can get there, then should see a breakout to about 295 on Meta. Now, if not, you know, to the downside, because you can go either way. 284.50 needs to hold, and if it doesn't here, the next low level is about 280 here to the downside on Meta, you guys. AMD, last but not least. Same thing, they're following suit though, like I said, with the AI stuff with NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow. I'm gonna keep saying this because you're gonna see like a lot of money like go one direction. So AMD, you guys, if NVIDIA's earnings is good, you know, upside levels, I'm looking out for a breakout to about $108.50. The next level after that is $111 on AMD to the upside. Now to the downside, you know, because it can go either way. And rumor is, well, it's not really. Who knows? We're gonna find out soon. They're saying it may be a chip shortage. Could be a possible chip shortage. So, if that is true, it's not going to be looking good, and the video earnings may not be looking good as well. So, to the downside, I'm looking for AMD to flush to about 104. And if that don't hold, the next low level is 102 here to the downside on AMD. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Going into tomorrow, though, like I said, man, the key. I'm gonna show it here before we wrap it up here. NVIDIA's earnings, you guys. I'm gonna show you the chart. This is 3 months ago. This was the last earnings here, from 302 to really 418. So that's a massive like amount of money there, you guys. And we got earnings again now. And this setup right here is looking the same exact way as last time. So it's like I said, you guys, this is it right here. This is what everybody's talking about. But this is the actual algorithm. It's going to really get real tomorrow, you guys. So good luck if you're playing it. Good luck to all. But just know the levels are wide here. Upside levels could be 500 here. Upside levels on the video here. You know, now to the downside, you know, this can definitely get you at about 420. So just know the video that's equal to about 11% there, you guys, and we'll figure out what's gonna happen tomorrow with another, and we'll be back with another recap. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna wrap it up. Stock futures are a little changed as investors look ahead to next batch of corporate earnings. So it sounds like, you know, that's the headlines. They don't want to say it, but we're looking at in the video. Everybody, you know, all eyes on the video, you guys. And the futures are a little gray here, but that's it. We're going to wrap it up. We'll see y'all tomorrow. This was the recap with LCAOD. I will see y'all tomorrow with another recap, and we'll see if we're accurate or not. Peace.